Hi, my name is Pravin. I am from Tamil Nadu. I did my graduation in computer science and engineering. So later I joined manufacturing industry. Then I wanted to move IT industry. So one of my friend referred Evision Technoservice. So I joined Evision Technoservice for 45 days course. In this course, I have learned so many things like Windows administration, CCNA, and basic networking, virtualization, and ITIL, and so many things. Then later, I got so many calls from big MNCs. Then I later selected G7 Teleservice Pvt Ltd for 2.1 LPA. Thank you so much, Evision Technoservices. I suggest to everyone join Evision Technoservices. One who want to start your career with IT industry. Thank you, Evision team.